Over the last few years, corporate boardrooms became obsessed with a single mandate: digitize and automate at all costs. This push is often called the Fourth Industrial Revolution, and the directive was to replace legacy systems with automated machines. The financial logic was straightforward: swapping expensive, salaried human employees for artificial intelligence would theoretically slash operational costs and maximize efficiency around the clock. But the reality of that transition looks very different. This graphic shows the results of a recent OrgView report tracking the corporate response to automation. While a massive chunk of companies executed AI-driven layoffs, 55% of them now admit making those cuts was a mistake. Executive confidence is dropping. Just last year, over half expected AI to replace human workers. Now that number has fallen to 48%. This rush to replace a workforce with algorithms, far from being a competitive silver bullet, functioned as a strategic trap that many executives walked right into. You can see exactly how this plays out by looking at Klarna. In 2022, the financial technology giant decided to let go of roughly 700 customer service employees and replace them with AI tools. The goal was aggressive cost-cutting. Klarna wanted to run both its marketing and its support operations through automated systems instead of paying human representatives to handle the volume. It didn't work as planned. Klarna CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, recently admitted that this automation-first approach failed to deliver the customer experience they needed. He noted that from a brand perspective, customers need to know there is a human available if they want one. A frictionless digital interface loses its value the moment a frustrated consumer realizes there is no human safety net to resolve their problem. This chart visualizes academic data on digital transformation, revealing a stark reality: less than 30% of these initiatives meet expectations. This failure comes from treating AI integration purely as a software patch. Organizations focus on upgrading tech while ignoring the human consequences. An algorithm can process millions of data points flawlessly, but lacks the emotional intelligence required to navigate a complex interaction with an upset customer. Relying solely on algorithmic mediation creates an environment that is fast but entirely sterile. It strips away interpersonal connection, replacing it with cold, rigid efficiency. Optimizing exclusively for speed while removing empathy alienates the consumer. Over time, that isolation erodes the brand loyalty required to actually keep a company profitable. This fallout extends well beyond the customer experience, directly impacting the employees remaining after the layoffs. This highlights a startling human capital cost. 34% of leaders say surviving employees voluntarily quit due to AI. These workers face severe information overload, managing constant digital workflows. They also suffer from de-skilling, anxiety, as machines take over specialized tasks that defined their value. Pushing a company toward pure machine efficiency creates a vacuum of trust and morale. Without that foundation, the human infrastructure simply collapses. Executives are realizing that the digital revolution serves best as a tool for human augmentation, prioritizing the support of existing staff over their replacement. This data comparison shows the massive corporate pivot currently underway. 80% of business leaders are now actively prioritizing reskilling their existing workforce, backed by a 41% increase in learning and development budgets to make it happen. Instead of handing out pink slips, over half of these leaders are drafting internal policies to define how AI should be used, actively creating safety nets to shield their employees from further redundancies. Corporate survival now hinges on a commitment to human training and adaptability. We have seen this exact pattern before. Looking at past industrial eras, like the massive labor reorganizations at the Homestead Steelworks, technological shifts always cause initial disruption before settling into new, augmented roles for workers. Academic researchers studying these cycles consistently find that economic efficiency cannot be divorced from human dignity. Companies that try to shortcut this process by treating employees as disposable line items inevitably fail. The market will ultimately reward the seamless integration of artificial intelligence's vast computational power with irreplaceable human ingenuity.